Hey guys, this is Nirmala and you are watching Odia Connection. Guys, आजर वीडियो रे आमे जानिबा किछि डेली यूज कन्वर्सेशन. Let's get started. आजिर तुमरो प्लान कोन अछि? What is your plan today? What is your plan today? काली पई कोन प्लान अछि तुमरो? What is your plan tomorrow? What is your plan tomorrow? मु एबे जाय भाबिनी. I did not think yet. I did not think yet. तुमे काली कौन करिबो? What will you do tomorrow? What will you do tomorrow? तमे काली कुआड जिवो? Where will you go tomorrow? Where will you go tomorrow? चलो काली मूवी देखिबो जिबा. Let's watch a movie tomorrow. Let's watch a movie tomorrow. हाँ कहीं नुहे. Yes, why not? Yes, why not? को मूवी चलची? Which movie is playing? Which movie is playing? आमे बुझी ना बा. We will find out. We will find out. ये तो एक बढ़िया प्लान. This is a good plan. This is a good plan. काले ठीक टाइम रे रेडी हिजबो. Be ready on time tomorrow. Be ready on time tomorrow. केतरे बाहरिबा? What time to leave? What time to leave? 8टारे केमति रहइबो? How about 8 o'clock? How about 8 o'clock? हाँ ये तो ठीक हबो. Yes, it will be fine. Yes, it will be fine. तमे एकुटिया आसीबो? Will you come alone? Will you come alone? मु मोर सांग सांगरे आसीबी. I will come with my friend. I will come with my friend. आ मु मो भौणी सांगरे आसीबी. I will come with my sister. I will come with my sister. आमे भलो समय कटाइबा. We will have a good time. We will have a good time. हाँ बिल्कुल. Yes, definitely. Yes, definitely. चलो काली देखावा. Okay, see you tomorrow. Okay, see you tomorrow.